Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be styling a no, we're not going to be styling because I still need to go out and do some home decor shopping. So today's video is about a new apartment, my niece's first apartment by herself, and I am so proud of her. She did this all on her own. And today's video is about the bed. So we were looking for a budget-friendly option for her bedroom. She is newly out on her own and she has no furniture. So we have to go around and source furniture for her apartment. She's young, you know, she's on a budget. So we want to do it in the most affordable way possible. So today's video is kindly sponsored by Yitahome. So I want to thank Yitahome for sponsoring today's video. They were gracious enough to send over this platform bed to my niece and she absolutely loves it. So it is a very affordable bed. It has storage solution options underneath because it is so high. You can put storage containers underneath. You can put your clothes in it. You can put shoes in it. Slide it up underneath the bed and everything is hidden out of sight. Your room looks nice and tidy. So I'm gonna go ahead and now and take you over to her apartment. We're gonna put the bed together and then we'll see how it looks at the end. Now I will say I have to do a slight adjustment to the headboard. I put it in the lower position, so I do need to raise it up a bit. So in the final clip, when you see the bed, it is not completely done. It is styled just a little bit so you can see how the bed looks once it was put together, but we still need to do some tweaks. So I will be doing a shop with me for home decor for our first apartment, and I'm going to take you along with me as I decorate her apartment, her first apartment. I'm so proud of her. So if you want to see the bed, make sure you keep watching. I will leave a link for Yitahome in the description box down below for the bed where you can get the bed at a discount. So let's go over to my niece's. All right, so here is the bed that I got from Yitahome. We are going to put this together and surprise my niece from when she comes home from work. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's break this out of the box. So here's the headboard. And then these are all of the rail pieces. Hopefully this will be really easy to put together. It is numbered. These two go together. As you can see, it says D1 here and D1, excuse me, on this one. So I believe these are supposed to slide together. Let me take them all apart and then we'll come back. Now it's time for the instructions. You can see me. Is that a little better? Okay. I'm glad I brought my readers because I can't see anything. All right. Okay, let's see. So let's get all of our pieces laid out. So I'm gonna bring you with me over here. And it's kind of small in here. So you can see how we put the bed together. We can take these off. Top my shoe before I fall. Now, let's get our pieces.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all.
Okay, so this is where we are so far. I still have a few more pieces to put on, and then we can put the slats in, and then we should be finished and can decorate the bed. All right, and here is the finished look, and my niece absolutely loves her bed. It's very high up off the floor. You can put storage underneath. So we need to get some storage containers. I need to come back, get some wall art, hang some curtains, and finish off the room. But this is it for episode 1. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the suggestion box down, or the description box down below. Let me know what ideas you think a young woman in her early 20s would like. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.